Why you didn't finish your chicken? I thought you want to give it to the pets.
No. I don't have cat. You are the one growing cat.
Because you're keeping the big one.
I'll eat after.
Then you will eat that one.
This is the big one. Why will I give it to cat? You remove this one. You give to cat.
Magandang araw mga kabayan. Lunch break nga pala. May dala akong pakwan. Bigay sa akin ng mga nagpunta doon sa mission. Binigyan ako ng isa. Hindi ko alam kung matamis to dahil katatapos lang ng tag-ulan dito eh. Ang alam ko nito pagka tag-araw eh. Malaman mamaya. Hinaya ko nga pala si James na kumain dito sa bahay. Papatikim ko sa kanya yung tinolang manok. Dito hindi sila kumakain ng yung papaya na niluluto. Ang alam nila sa papaya yung hinug lang. Kaya papakain ko sa kanya yung papaya. Ang tagal nung isa. Sabi ko sumunod dito dahil nagluto nga ako ng manok. Sabi niya susunod daw siya. 25 minutes na wala pa. Gugutom na ako. Ito yung niluto kong tinola. Pambihira itong kausap ko na to. Matatapos na yung oras ng break time, wala pa. Hinahanap ko na, nag-ikot na ako dito, pati sa kantin wala. Tapos yung cellphone, patay eh. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan. Kain na lang ako mag-isa. Dumating din to eh. Nagpunta pa daw ng warehouse. Kaya na-late.
Ang proming ka nga.
Isang hita, isang pakpak yung kanya. Sa akin, isang pakpak lang. Tingnan natin kung kakain ng papaya.
I don't know how to eat the papaya when it's cooked. You put papaya to make soup. Yes.
We are cooking like that. We called it tinola.
Tinola.
Tinola. Tinolang chicken. How is the papaya?
It's like pumpkin.
It's okay.
Yeah.
You can eat, huh?
But you put chili.
No, I didn't put chili.
You put that one is called what? Damzabil.
Jojabil.
Yeah, he's testing there. I got it.
How is it? You want more papaya?
I need more chicken.
Chicken, it's enough. No more chicken.
Remain rice for cake.
Hmm?
That one. Remain for cake.
If you want more rice, there's still a lot here
Yeah.
in your plate.
This one is not here. I do not taste.
Hmm?
No salt.
Put the soup. What I will say
No, I used to drink after food.
after food.
Because when you drink, it will pull your stomach. You did not eat. Budak ni baik kan?
So it's your first time to eat
Papaya.
cooked papaya.
Cooked papaya. Not even cooked papaya, it's a young papaya.
The young papaya, the green one. You don't eat green papaya. But now you can eat, huh?
I'm just trying because of hunger. Because of hungry. You didn't. You make your hair.
It's okay.
Oh, become Rasta, huh? Before I'm not Rasta.
We call this one tinola.
Chicken tinola.
Chicken tinola.
Chicken tinola.
This chicken is old.
Hold on.
The one we bought there in the gate.
It's not young.
Not young.
Not young chicken, huh?
I boiled it 2 hours.
Still hard. I will appreciate you because you are a man. You cook chicken
Mm.
for 2 hours. I can appreciate that because you are a man. I cannot blame you that the chicken is not good. It's good though.
But it's good now, right?
When do you start cooking it?
The same day, I slaughtered the chicken.
The same day?
The same day. But this one, I cooked this one yesterday.
You used to put in
I
fish?
cook half. The first time I cook half.
You first cook the part which you like. It's called what?
Tinola.
Tinola chicken.
Tinola chicken.
Tinola chicken.
Don't eat the ginger, the janjabil.
This one?
That one, I mean the other one.
This one?
Mm.
This jamjabil? This is the one I ate before.
Hmm?
This was the one I tasted before. Oh, this one I told you put chili.
It's not papaya, this janjabil.
So you are supposed
The
to.
papaya is this one. So you eat,
I eat it.
you eat all, huh?
I tasted because it was like pilpili.
Mm.
That's why I asked you, do you put pilpili? Well, you ask.
I told you there is janjabil.
I'm the one who asked. That do you put them to be? Because it tells like that.
Because you eat already.
You did tell me the truth. Even the cat, they would appear.
Hmm?
Cat, they would appear to eat this one. These are cold water. Some
It's not very cold. This is the papaya. So how is it?
Better, ma.
The papaya is good, huh? Not the ginger.
We want it ginger now.
The ginger is this one.
It's called ginger.
Ginger.
Ginger. We call it zamzabil. When did I stop eating here?
Hmm?
When
What?
eating here?
Mm.
It was last year, right?
At the last time? I forget.
Even me, I forget.
Maybe last year.
Last year. So we was been up and down, up and down.
Why you didn't finish your chicken? I thought you want to give it to the pets.
No. I don't have cat. You are the one growing cat.
Because you're keeping the big one.
Mm. I'll eat after.
Then you will eat that one.
This is the big one. Why will I give it to cat? You remove this one. You give to cat.
Mm.
But for me, you will go all.
I don't like the skin.
Maybe something bite the skin.
No, because it's too much oil on the,
Mm.
and I avoid the oily. So I remove the skin.
For me, I'm looking for it.
Mm.
Mm. So you can manage.
No.
Thank you for the day. Huh?
What? Thank you.
Mm?
It's 10,000.
Which one?
This one, the food.
This one is not a cafeteria, man. Why? This one is home. You want to scare me?
Nagustuhan naman niya yung tinola. Kaya nga lang, nung una, nakakain siya ng luya. Kaya nalasahan nga daw niya na merong luya yung luto na yon. At madalian nga pala yung naging kain namin dahil late na nung dumating siya. Mag-aalauna na kaya kailangan bilisan na namin. Maraming salamat po doon sa mga nanood ng video namin ngayon at doon sa mga laging nanonood ng mga ina-upload ko. Napapansin ko, kahit bago pa lang yung channel natin, medyo dumadami na yung mga views. Umaabot na ng 400, 500. Meron ng isang nag 1,000. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.